So, you've decided to start an LLC in Wyoming. Fantastic choice. Wyoming is quickly becoming a top state for entrepreneurs, and for good reason. With no state income tax, low fees, and excellent privacy protections, it's a business-friendly option that's gaining popularity over traditional choices like Delaware. Now comes the big question: should you handle everything yourself with the DIY method, or use a service like Tailor Brands to simplify the process? In this video, I'll break down both options so you can decide what works best for your needs. So first, why Wyoming? Well, Wyoming offers some standout benefits for LLC formation. First, there's no state income tax. Whether you're operating locally or running an online business, you won't have to worry about state taxes eating into your earnings. Then there are the low filing fees. At just $100 to file your LLC, Wyoming is one of the most affordable states for entrepreneurs. And let's not forget privacy. Unlike many other states, Wyoming doesn't require your personal information to be listed publicly. That means your name and address are protected, giving you extra peace of mind. If you're looking for a state that's affordable, efficient, and secure, Wyoming is hard to beat. So if you're budget conscious and don't mind a bit of legwork, the DIY method is a great way to save money. The first step is choosing a unique name for your LLC. Wyoming requires your business name to include LLC or limited liability company. You can check the Wyoming Secretary of State's website to confirm availability. Next, you'll need a registered agent. This person or company receives legal documents on behalf of your LLC. If you live in Wyoming, you can act as your own registered agent. If not, you'll need to hire a service. Once that's sorted, you'll file the Articles of Organization with the Wyoming Secretary of State. This document makes your LLC official, and the filing fee is $100. After filing, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement. While it's not required in Wyoming, this document outlines how your LLC will be managed and is especially helpful if you have business partners. Finally, apply for an EIN, or Employer Identification Number, IRS. This number is essential for opening a business bank account, hiring employees, and managing taxes. Best of all, it's free to apply directly on the IRS website. The DIY route is a solid choice if you're comfortable navigating these steps and have time to double-check everything. Or you could take option 2, using Tailor Brands. Now, if you're looking for a more convenient and stress-free option, Tailor Brands is the way to go. Here's how it works. First, visit their website using the discount link in the description or pinned comment. Once there, you'll fill out a quick form with basic details about your business, like its name, address, and type of operation. From there, Tailor Brands handles the rest. They'll file your Articles of Organization, act as your registered agent if needed, and even help you create an operating agreement. They'll also assist with getting your EIN, so you're fully set up to operate legally. What sets Tailor Brands apart is that they don't stop at forming your LLC. They offer tools like a logo maker, website builder, and branding services to help you establish a professional image for your business. While there's a cost, the convenience and peace of mind are worth it, especially if you're new to this process or short on time. Plus, with the discount link, you can save a bit while getting premium service. Now, the choice between DIY and Tailor Brands depends on your priorities. If you're comfortable handling paperwork, navigating the requirements, and double-checking everything, the DIY route is a great way to save money. If you'd rather skip the hassle and have everything done quickly and correctly, Tailor Brands is the better choice. They streamline the process and offer additional tools to help you grow your business. Starting an LLC in Wyoming is a smart move for protecting your personal assets and taking advantage of the state's business-friendly environment. Whether you go the DIY route or use Tailor Brands, the most important thing is to take action and get your LLC set up. If you're ready to simplify the process, don't forget to check out the discount link in the description and pinned comment to get started with Tailor Brands today. Let me know in the comments which option you're leaning toward, or if you have any questions about forming an LLC in Wyoming. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on starting and growing your business. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success in 2025 and beyond.